Hey, how you doing? Dennis here, and today we're going to be checking out stacked and push-up sticky headers. Let's get started. Let's start with the headers. Use a text tool, input your text, add an auto layout, set it to align left, 20 padding left and right, 0 top and bottom, change the width to fixed at 400, and the height to fixed at 50. Give it a fill. Choose a color, give it a white border on the bottom. Let's call this main header. Duplicate it 3 times and call it Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. We'll also create a content placeholder at 360 by 200 and color it light gray. Arrange your layout. Select all, align to the center, distribute vertical spacing, set the space between at 30, select everything except for the main header, wrap it in a frame. Let's call this frame Body. Select Wednesday, Tuesday, and Monday and move those layers to the top. Arrange those Wednesday, Tuesday, and Monday from top to bottom. Select all 3 of them, switch to prototype, set to sticky. Select the body, set the scroll overflow to vertical, set the height at 950. Select all, put the space between at 0, wrap everything in a frame, and call it main layout. Give it a fill. Let's try it out. Nice. The layer order causes them to stack, covering the previous one. For this option, we're going to build each day as its own auto layout. Let's start with Wednesday, select the header and some content, add auto layout, align it top center with 30 between, 30 padding at the bottom, and change last on top to first on top. Let's add some extra content, call it Wednesday, and move it off to the side. Select Tuesday and some content, apply an auto layout, and set up everything the same as we did for Wednesday. There's one small change to Monday. Select the header and some content, apply auto layout, align top center, 30 space between. This time we're putting padding of 30 on the top and bottom. Change last on top to first on top, add some content, call it Monday. Now let's move Tuesday and Wednesday underneath Monday, add some content on top, select all of that, and apply an auto layout. Align top center with 0 between and 30 padding on the top. Call this frame Body. Place the main header on top, select them both, apply an auto layout, put 0 between, and change last on top to first on top. Add a fill. Call this our main layout. Select the body. Set the height to fixed at 950. Switch to prototype. Set the scroll overflow to vertical. Select your headers and set them to sticky. Let's try it out. And there you have it. This option pushes the headers off the screen instead of overlapping them. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you for more lessons real soon. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.